1.6 Into the Wild by Kiran Purandare. Hello dear students and dear friends. Today we are going to study the prose lesson 1.6 Into the Wild by the writer Kiran Purandare. So open your textbook of English and see the icebreakers of this lesson on page number 55, or you can also see these activities in icebreakers on the screen in front of you. Solve all of these activities in the icebreakers of this lesson at home and write them with their answers in your register or notebook of English. Now I would like to introduce you the writer Kiran Purandare first. So turn on the page and see this on the next page or on page number 56 of your textbook, or you can also read it on the screen in front of you, or you can also read it on the screen in front of you. Now see, Kiran Purandare. Kiran Purandare was born in 1961. After BCom, he studied environmental studies at Jordan Hill College of Education in Scotland. So Kiran Purandare studied environmental studies at Jordan Hill College of Education in Scotland after BCom. He is a recipient of the Sahitya Puraskar, Pune's Bhai Madhav Bagal Award, and Best Literature Award given by Cultural Department of Maharashtra State for his Sakha Nagjira. Now see, here we are given the information about the awards that are awarded to the writer Kiran Purandare. Kiran Purandare is a recipient of the Sahitya Puraskar. Pune's Bhai Madhav Bagal Award also has been given to him, or he was awarded with Pune's Bhai Madhav Bagal Award, and also the award of the best literature given to him by Cultural Department of Maharashtra State for his book Sakha Nagjira. He spent 400 days inside Nagjira and nearby forests areas and wrote this award-winning book. The writer Kiran Purandare spent 400 days, means more than 1 year, inside Nagjira and the nearby forest or the nearby forest area, nearby the jungle areas, and wrote this award-winning book Sakha Nagjira on these experiences. This excerpt has been taken from the same. Excerpt means extract. This extract is taken from the book Sakha Nagjira, written by him, and the award-winning book, which was based on his days and experiences inside Nagjira for 400 days. Or you may say the book or the present lesson is taken from the book Sakha Nagjira by him, which is based on the 400 days he spent inside Nagjira and in the nearby forest areas. He is a wildlife expert. He is a wildlife expert, a bird watcher, a writer, and honorary wildlife warden in Maharashtra. Kiran Purandare is a wildlife expert. He is the expert of wild animals. He is a bird lover, a bird watcher. He is a writer also, and he is an honorary wildlife warden in Maharashtra. He is also the founder of Nisarga Ved organization, which works for nature conservation and community work around Nagjira, Navegaon, or a tiger reserve in Bhandara and Gondia districts. Kiran Purandare is also the founder of the NGO, an organization named Nisarga Ved organization, which works for the conservation of nature and community work around Nagjira and Navegaon, a tiger reserve in Bhandara and Gondia districts. Means this organization of the writer Kiran Purandare Nisarga Ved does the community work also, particularly around Nagjira, Navegaon, a tiger reserve in Bhandara and Gondia districts. He also founded Kika's Bird Club in order to spread bird farming, which is very popular among school-going children of Maharashtra. The writer Kiran Purandare has also founded Kika's Bird Club in order to spread the bird farming in Maharashtra, and which is very popular particularly in or among the school-going children of Maharashtra. But dear friends, this lesson has two parts. Part 1 is Lost in the Jungle, which is taken from the book Sakha Nagjira by the writer Kiran Purandare, in which he describes his own experiences. And part 2 is Tracking the Panther of Nagarhole. It is based on the life of wildlife photographer Shah Jung. So first I will explain you the content of the first part, Lost in the Jungle. Part 1. Part 1, Lost in the Jungle. It's a content. It's important content. As the name suggests, the excerpt is an amazing experience of the writer, where Kiran Purandare, the solitary traveler, is completely lost in the jungles of Umbarjara. I had already told you that this first part of this lesson, Lost in the Jungle, is taken from the book Saka Nagjira, written by the writer Kiran Purandare. And so this first part, as its name suggests, it is the extract which is an amazing experience of the writer where he was living as a solitary life and as a solitary traveler. He was completely lost in the jungles of Umbarjara. So this part 1, Lost in the Jungle, as its name indicates, is completely based on the amazing experience of the writer Kiran Purandare while he was lost in the jungle of Umbarjara all alone. He narrates how he lost his way at the fall of the dusk and the terrifying turmoil he underwent thereafter. In this first part, he narrates how he lost his way back to home from the jungle at the fall of the dusk by the evening, and he also narrates the terrifying turmoil he underwent afterwards. Shouting for help would literally mean crying in wilderness. Wilderness means a wild, uninhabited, uncultivated region. Wilderness means particularly a wild and uninhabited region. Shouting for the help in that wilderness, in that forest, who was completely free from human beings, would mean literally crying in that wilderness. It means he is shouting for help when he was lost in the jungles of Umbarjara was completely, or would have been completely futile, useless. It would have been just like a crying in the wilderness. He also gives a detailed description of how he found his way towards the Pitejari. And finally, in the end of this first part, he also gives the detailed description how he found his way towards the village Pitejari and comes out of the jungle. So this is what the content of the first part is. Now I would like to explain you the content of the second part, Tracking the Panther of Nagarhole. This second part has been extracted from Sea and Traveler magazine published by Land Rover India. Now this second part of this lesson, Tracking the Panther of Nagarhole, has been taken from the article, or it is taken from a Sea and Traveler magazine, or it is taken from an article that was published in Sea and Traveler magazine that was published by Land Rover India. It is about Shaj Jung, known for his wildlife photography. This second part is about Shaj Jung, who was quite famous and known for his wildlife photography. It briefs us about his entry into this world of wildlife photography, the insight that he received during this journey regarding the loss of the habitat of those heroes of the jungle, and the genuine efforts that he took by establishing BCRTI for the conservation of forests by educating the local rural folks and providing them with a sound reliable source of income. And now what is there in this lesson is, in this lesson the writer or this article briefs us, it gives us brief information about the entry of Shah Jahan into this wild or world of wildlife photography. It also tells us the insight that the intuition that the wildlife photographer Shah Jahan received during his this journey as a wildlife photographer regarding the loss of the habitats of those heroes of the jungles, that is the wildlife or wild animals. And it also tells us about the genuine efforts that the writer took to establish the organization BCRTI with that worked for the conservation of forest by educating the local or the rural people and providing these local and rural people who live beside the forest with a second reliable source of income. So this BCRTI is the organization that was established by the wildlife photographer Shah Jahan. Its full form is the Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. The Buffer Conflict Resolution Trust of India. It is an agency, particularly it is an agency that educates villagers who live on the edges of the forest on the importance of conservation of the forest, and it also educates the local rural folks and provide them with a sound reliable source of income. So dear friends, now I conclude here. All of you have to read this lesson line by line, twice, thrice, till you understand at your home. Solve all the margin activities that are given in the blue margin beside you, the text of the lesson with their answers, and also solve the activities from the brainstorming section and write these all the activities with their answers in your long book or register of English or notebook of English. So friends, I stop here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.